Let's talk about that feeling you can't quite explain. You know, that sinking heaviness in your chest when you wake up in the morning? That what's the point energy that sneaks in when you're brushing your teeth? That Sunday night dread when you suddenly realize that the weekend is gone and you didn't do one thing that felt like you. And you think, nothing is technically wrong, so why do I feel wrong? Then Monday happens and you do what you have to do. Then it's Wednesday, then Friday. And you realize you've been living in this loop where your whole life is work, errands, dishes, phone, repeat. And the scariest part is how normal it starts to feel. That's not you being lazy. That's you being disconnected. So if you've been feeling numb, anxious, or disconnected from yourself, like you're watching your own life through a window, this video is for you. Because I think you might be missing the one thing that makes you feel like you, and that's creating. I'm going to explain why adulthood buries creativity, why that creates this low-grade unease, and how making anything small, messy, private can bring you back to life. Maybe you've been blaming yourself for something that isn't a character flaw. When you're a kid, creativity is life. You draw terrible drawings, you make up stories, you build weird little worlds, and you don't care if anyone likes it because you're not performing. You're just playing. But adulthood slowly convinces you that creating is extra, not productive, not for people like you, something you do after you earn it. Plus, you get judged, you get compared, you get embarrassed. So you shut it down, not all at once, just little by little until you stop making things and you start only consuming things. And listen, consumption isn't evil. We all need rest. But if all you do is consume shows, posts, opinions, drama, news, everyone else's life, your brain starts to feel like it's full and still starving. It's like eating a bunch of chips when you really needed a meal. You're not weak, you're undernourished. And creativity is the meal. You don't feel numb because you're failing. You feel numb because you're not expressing. Creativity isn't about being talented. Creativity is a signal to your nervous system that you're not trapped. Because when you make something, even something small, your brain goes, oh, I can choose. I can shape. I can do something that comes from me. And that interrupts spirals. So when you're anxious, your brain loops. Same thought, same fear, same dread over and over. Creating, it gives your brain a different track to run on. Words, color, sound, ideas, structure, play. Creativity is like cracking a window in a stuffy room. It doesn't solve everything, but you can finally breathe. Maybe something new is possible. Creativity reopens that door. I'll tell you what it looked like for me. Before I started making videos, I'd come home from work, clean the kitchen, watch TV, and scroll on my phone. And I wasn't even enjoying it. I was just disappearing into it. And one day I had this feeling, quiet but strong, like I need something more. I didn't have a plan. I just had a feeling. And then I came across a video on YouTube about how if you're over 40, you should start your own YouTube channel. And that got me thinking. So I asked ChatGPT, how hard is it to start a YouTube channel over 50 with no experience? And that's how I got started. I hit record. I didn't know what I was doing. The lighting was bad, the audio was worse, and it was messy, but it was mine. I didn't even need people watching for it to matter because it woke something up in me, that part of me that used to play just to play. Because when you're a kid, you don't paint to go viral. You paint because it feels good to make something. That's what creating did. It brought me back to myself. And if you keep waiting until you feel ready, you will stay in the same loop forever. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Creating can be exhausting, but it's a different kind of tired. It's not soul crushing fatigue. It's I used my brain and I made something, not I survived another day and I feel empty. Some days I'm learning editing. Some days I'm learning lighting. Some days I post something and it flops. But even when I fail, I'm still building skills that compound. It's like stacking pennies. One penny doesn't feel like much, but stack them every week for a year, and suddenly you've got something real. And now when I come home from work, I have something to look forward to, a project, a little world I'm building. And that gives me energy. And honestly, most people never get to feel that. They never give themselves permission to create again. And that's why it changes people, because even if the world doesn't clap right away, you start to trust yourself again. You start collecting proof that you can build something slowly. One skill, one video, one idea, one little project. And that's what adults forget. You don't need a giant transformation. You need a small habit of making, not a challenge, not a checklist, a return. Here's something I just recently experienced. I had a question on another creator's video. So I asked publicly in the comment section, and I didn't get an answer. Annoying, but it's common. So I figured it out on my own, which is huge for me. Then what I did was I went back and I closed the loop by helping future readers. And this morning, someone else benefited directly from my experience. And that lit me up at 6 a.m. to be able to help someone else. That's joy. That's joy data. And when you experience that, pay attention to it. So here's my invitation, my gentle wake-up call. If you've been feeling that unease, stop treating it like a personal flaw. It might be your creative self tapping you on the shoulder like, hey, I'm still here. So tonight, or whenever you feel that tiny spark, follow it. Make something small. Write a paragraph you don't show anyone, or record a voice memo like you're talking to a friend. Bake something just because. Film a messy little video and don't even post it. Not for validation, not to prove anything, just to feel your own aliveness again. Because creating is how you tell your nervous system, I'm not just surviving, I'm here. If you feel numb, anxious, overwhelmed, disconnected, it might not be because you need to fix yourself. It might be because you need to return to yourself. And creativity is one of the fastest roads back. Maybe that unease is your life trying to tell you something, and it's not going to go away until you do something about it. If you've been thinking about starting YouTube, but you feel behind or not techie, watch this next. It's my Start YouTube Over 50, the only 3 tools you need, because you don't need to feel ready. You just need to start.